Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I just wanted to give you a quick update here on some deals of the day here from Home Depot. So if you go to Home Depot's homepage here and you go to the special buy here, you can see they've got up to 45% off of Milwaukee power tools. Now what's ironic is we did a live stream last night from Home Depot and the question came up from people, hey, is there any good deals on Milwaukee? And there wasn't any, certainly not in store, but I figured there'd be one coming up again on special buy of the day, like they did about, it was probably about 2 weeks ago. So let's go take a look at what they've got in here. But I am just going to show the larger discounts that we see here. So first up here is the M18 18 volt cordless combo kit here. So this has two M18 batteries. It's got the charger and the tool bag. This is not a brushless kit though, so that's the thing you need to be aware of. So, but if you're just starting out and you want a good all-around package here, this one has it. You have here the drill driver, the impact driver, the oscillating tool, the circular saw, the electric sander, which is great, and the light here. And so you've got a pretty decent starter package. Keep in mind this is not a hammer drill, however. So if you're looking to do work in the concrete, you're probably going to want a package with a hammer drill, or you can just buy this whole kit and then later on get a different hammer drill. Okay, but anyway, so this kit right here is $349 from $699, which I don't think I've ever really seen it in the store at that price anyway. Comes with a bag. I actually prefer a hard case when I'm dealing with kits, but this is what it is. Okay, let's go back up and take a look at the other package we have here. And you know, these things are selling out fast, guys. For example, let me go down here and find that the jigsaw is already sold out. I was looking at it this morning and it's already sold out, and I'm making this recording here at noon. So this was actually a really good deal. Why? Because this is an M18 fuel, so this is a brushless jigsaw here, and they're also giving you here a 5.0 battery. So if you were to go here and look, just the 5.0 battery alone is $129, and just the jigsaw by itself. So here you can see that the jigsaw by itself normally sells for $199, and you can see it's also on a special buy right now as a tool only deal here. So you're saving quite a bit of money buying this kit here, but of course it's sold out. This whole deal has sold out already. So that's a bummer. I was actually going to look at going back in, but just so busy this morning, didn't have enough time. A lot of these deals of the day, man, you got to get up early in the morning and see what's there, because they do have limited supplies. And by the way, if you haven't seen the videos we've uploaded the last couple of days, you can go to our videos tab here and look, and you'll see last night, that's that live stream we did, our Home Depot walkthrough, where you can see a lot of the other deals and new items that came in that we showed you. And then of course a couple of days ago we uploaded this one here, how to install a kitchen faucet, which would be a pretty good one for you. And then on Friday we uploaded that video on where we talked all about the kitchen granite, and that was a live stream after the granite guys had left. We showed you everything here. So we showed you what was going on there in the kitchen after the granite guys had just left, and gave you a quick update. We're going to be doing a whole series of videos on the remodeling of this particular kitchen here. There was some pretty good engineering going on there, so we thought we would give you a good view of that as well. Okay, now here's another decent kit here. I like this one here for the simple reason you're getting a hammer drill, you're getting an impact driver, and you're getting two 5.0 batteries, which is really good. And I like the hard case here. So these will fit in there in the hard case with the charger. And you see the big plus sign? That means part of this special deal, they're throwing in the blower here. So what they're really doing is they're charging you $349, which I think is the normal price for this kit anyway, but they're giving you this blower. Of course the blower won't fit in the hard case. Anyway, let's go take a look on how much that blower would be on its own. Okay, so you can see here the blower by itself normally sells for $159. So really, when you look at the overall pricing of this kit here, what you're really doing is they're making it sound like you're saving $209, but you're not. What you're really saving is $159. I don't know how they arrived at that 209, but as far as I've seen, this kit price has always been $349 just for these up top here. But you just throw in the blower and you're discounting it essentially by $159. That's if you need a blower. Otherwise, you're going to be paying the standard $349 if you were to buy this kit by itself. So this whole thing here is really only a deal if you want a blower. Okay, so coming up next here, here's one that's 44% off. Let's take a look at this kit here. So they're giving you the brushless hammer drill here with a 5.0 amp hour battery and a charger. You don't get a case or anything though, but you're getting a pretty decent price here at $179. So let's see how much these would be individually here. So again, as we showed you before, the battery itself is worth $129. Okay, so the drill by itself on a special buy tool only is $149. So we can see we're getting a fairly decent deal here for getting the whole package here for $179. So that is 44% off. Okay, the next one I see here that catches my eye is this kit here, 40% off here. So this is a brushless hex impact driver kit. And what they're giving you here on the M12 is they're giving you 2 extra 1.5 amp hour batteries. So you're actually going to have 3 batteries total here, plus a charger and the tool. And this all comes in a nice hard case here. So this special buy price is $149. That's a pretty decent deal. So if you're just looking for just the one tool only, you're fine. I actually prefer the kit. I like to have the drill driver with the impact driver with me at all times. Other people are different. I've had people mention on many of my live streams, hey, why can't I find just a single tool only kit? Well, here's your opportunity. And like I said, I wouldn't wait around, guys, because here we are, it's noon right now, and a lot of these things sell out really quick. Okay, so here's another kit here for 33% off. I wanted to bring this to your attention for a couple of reasons here. Okay, so this is Milwaukee's answer to Dewalt's drywall cutout tool. So this is an M18 here, and they're giving you a 5.0 amp hour battery with a charger. So they're essentially, what they're doing here is they're charging you the full price, $179, for the tool only, but they're throwing in the battery and the charger here, all of that for $179. Now before you just rush out to buy this one, let me show you what Dewalt is doing right now. So if you look right now, and I showed you this on our video last night, our live stream from Home Depot, inside the store, I showed you this. This is the deal that Dewalt is doing right now, that if you buy this brushless drywall screw gun right here, comes with a charger and a battery and a bag, they will throw in for you Dewalt's drywall cutout tool here. Now this tool normally sells for $129 to $139 in the stores by its own. So this is the whole kit. So if you're in need of a drywall screw gun and you want to get this for free, this is a deal that I would go for. So here you have $199 and you're getting all of this, compared to Milwaukee's deal for the deal of the day for $179. You're basically only getting half of it. You're not even getting the bag, and you're not getting the screw gun. So I would actually take the Dewalt deal over this one. You're saving $119 on the Dewalt deal, but you're only saving $89 on the Milwaukee deal, and you're just certainly not getting anywhere near as much tool. I would say this is the best advice I could give you today. Okay, now here is a really good deal here. It's 51% off. This is a cool tool. You probably go, what the heck's a transfer pump? My plumber friends use these. So I was actually using this with my plumber friend a week ago when we were helping a lady change out her water heater. And so you got to drain all of that 50 gallons of water out of the bottom of that water heater. And instead of sitting there and waiting for it to go out of a garden hose, this pumps it out much faster. It only takes, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe to empty out the whole water heater there. But this guy here, so to get the entire pump here, normally for about $179 or more, I don't even know, but yeah, they're throwing in here the 5.0 amp hour battery with the charger free. Now you figure these two here are worth about $149 on their own, would be my guess, somewhere around that as a kit. But yeah, that's a pretty good deal. So if you're a plumber or know anybody who's a plumber, better tip them off to this one, because this is a pretty decent deal here at 50% off. And who knows, by the time it gets to it, it might be sold out. But remember, all of these are good until midnight tonight. But don't think that you have until midnight, because a lot of these, you check in right now, you're starting to see some of these tool deals already say sold out. That's why I'm only showing you a few of these. I don't want to take up much more time, because it's more time to process the video and then wait for it to upload. And then by the time you find out about it, it's too late in the day. So yeah, we're going to stop this probably now. I think we've covered most of the pretty good deals that they had on here for all of the Milwaukees. You could go through and search and find ones that are more appropriate for your needs here. But anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a safe day and wash your hands frequently. And we'll see you guys all on the next one. Have a great one. Bye.